Hello, what's going on, traders? This is my watch list for Tuesday, December 6th. We don't have many events this week, so it does look like we'll continue to see some clean price action for the time being. But yeah, let's jump straight into it. Today's watch list consists of Nike, PG, SLB, TSM, and ULTA. And to start off, I want to go over Nike. We have a 3-1 setup on the daily with a clear rejection off the 200 SMA and a clear rejection off this broadening formation that can be seen from 2018. The weekly and the monthly both finished strong in November. So personally, with the 3-1 setup and the rejection off the 200 SMA, I will be keeping an eye to play this in either direction. Above 111.13, I'll be targeting 112, 112.71, and 113.36. And below 109.19, I will be targeting 108.34 and 106.82. And another ticker that I'll have on watch is PG. Very similar setup to Nike. It's currently a 3-1 setup on the day, and November's weekly and monthly did close strong. So I would like to see the 3-1 trigger up into full time frame continuity, but just like Nike, I'll be watching for a break in either direction. Above 149.67, I'll be targeting 150.77 and 151.26. And below 148.27, I'll be targeting 147.2, 146.06, and 144.69. And SLB is another name that I'll have on watch, specifically to the short side. We have a inside week that triggered up, and double engulfing on the daily. But what catches my attention the most is that OIH popped up on my 50% rule short weekly scanner today. So we have a potential to PMG to the downside on the daily as well. Below the trigger at 50.95, I will be targeting a 50.48, 49.93, and 49.08. And another ticker that I'll have on watch is a TSM. I'll be watching it specifically for the long side. We have a 1-3 setup on the daily. Still 3-1 on the weekly. But with the potential to go 3-2 up on the week and month. The month is a 3 as well off this broadening formation. But we have been having a hard time getting through this area of low liquidity on the volume shelf. But above the trigger at 82.18, I'll be targeting 83.63, 84.5, and 86.44. And the last name that I'll have on watch is ULTA. For a break in either direction, but if ES reverses, I do like this more for a long, just like TSM. We have a 3-1 setup on the daily, and you could see last week we popped over this broadening formation or trend line that was serving as resistance since early 2021 and dates back to June 2017. So yeah, with the breakthrough this trend line, I personally don't like the risk reward for a short. I'd rather just keep an eye on it for a long. But above the trigger at 473.11, I'll be targeting a 477.92, 483.56, and the psychological 500 level if it continues to run. But yeah, these are the tickers I'll be watching for Tuesday, December 6th. Be sure to have your levels down and time your entries. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and hit that subscribe button for more additional content.